Today, Rajya Sabha Chairman Venkaiah Naidu said that the suspension of 12 Member of Parliaments for misbehaviour related to the events of August 11, which is the last day of the previous session, will not be lifted. Minutes earlier, Leader of the Opposition in Rajya Sabha Mallikarjun Kharge argued that the government's move to suspend the MPs was selective and against the rules. He said, and I quote, "I request you to revoke suspension of 12 opposition MPs have been suspended selectively." He explained that every member should be allowed to make a point of order and the rule says chairman has to take the name of MP first and then a question has to be made prior to suspension. Then a motion for suspension can be moved. He went on to say that this has to be on the day of the incident. In the present case, none of the MPs was named before the motion, he concluded. Earlier today, 16 parties met Naidu. They said that if the suspension is not revoked, they intend to boycott today's session of the Rajya Sabha. They argue that it is against parliamentary laws since punishments cannot be carried over into following sessions. Naidu said, and I quote, "The bitter experience of the last monsoon session still continues to haunt most of us. I was expecting and waiting for the leading lights of the House to take lead in expressing outrage over what happened in the last session." Kharge posed a counter question and said, "We came to our office to request for revocation of the suspension of 12 MPs. The incident happened in the last monsoon session, so how can you take this decision now?" Naidu responded claiming that the chairman of the Rajya Sabha is empowered to take action and also the House can take action and rejected the request for the revocation of suspension of the 12 MPs. Finally, the opposition MP staged a walkout. Yesterday, on the first day of Parliament's winter session, 12 Rajya Sabha MPs were suspended from this session for ruckus in August when opposition MPs and the government clashed over the Pegasus scandal.